My goal on this channel is to help you become a successful pipeline welder and conquer the traveling lifestyle. Oh, I guess I should introduce myself. My name is Austin Ross, or arosswelding here online. I've been a traveling pipeline welder for 6 years. I've lived in 8 states, tested in and worked for 21 different oil and gas companies, put together 3 rig trucks, busted 4 weld tests, talk about a humbling experience, lived in 3 different campers, and met a lot of different people. And did all that with 1 wife, 2 dogs, 0 drugs, and lots of coffee. It's been a while since I first got started, and I've learned a lot, but I still haven't forgot how hard it was to get my foot in the door of this industry. From rigging out my trucks, to learning the branch test, to getting hired where they only hired people with experience when I had 0. I've been there, but now I'm on the other side. And don't believe you have to learn it all the hard way. I put out a new video every Friday afternoon with tips and tricks for pipeline helpers, welders, and the traveling lifestyle. Subscribe and hit the bell so I can help you save a lot of time and money as you start your pipeline career. Leave me a comment and let me know where you're from and what you do right now. Don't be shy, we all started somewhere. You can also head over to arosswelding.com to join the community, find out more, and stay connected. See you in my next video.